Hi, today we'll be talking about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a humongous collection of debris that, as the name suggests, is situated in the Pacific Ocean. Now, while it is called a patch, it really is a collection of floating garbage along with the tiny pieces of plastic, also known as microplastics. As you can see in the picture, this is a small portion of the plastics that have been caught by a barrier. We do not know the exact size of it due to it free floating, but the litter is collected by one of 5 vortexes or currents that sweep it all together, eventually breaking the larger pieces into smaller ones with wind, the sun, or just being banged around by the current. These tiny microplastics are not easily cleaned up. Think of it like a plastic soupy mess. Animals can and often do mistake these bits for fish and other pieces of food. This can cause the animals to choke, starve, as they can't digest these things. It might rip open a few organs on the way after they swallow it, or after eating enough, it can and will impact the animals. If they can't digest it, all the food that they end up eating will just sit there and give them no nutrients, make them hungry. So yeah, that's a big problem in itself. It's also known that the nanoplastics, which are smaller than the microplastics, can embed into the tissues of animals that eat it, like fish, say tuna or sardines. When we eat these animals, it can potentially cause harm to humans by making us sick. It isn't known how the plastic chemicals can affect us. There are a few organizations working to clean up the debris from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is located between Hawaii and California. 2 of these organizations are 4 Oceans or Ocean Cleanup. If we do our part to control our waste, like not littering, recycling, and even avoiding products with microbeads,